This is the Q17 game controller. Let's just kind of go over some of the packaging here. The middle part can be pressed down, so you can press down on the middle part. The joysticks have adjustable height. I will check that out. It has a motor function with the motor vibration inside the controller. Not many controllers have vibration, so it's got a haptic feedback on it. It's got the gamepad space app. You use an app with this thing. It's the wide telescoping stand, and then looking over back gives you a set of instructions, Type-C cable, game controller. Let's just open it up. You know, looking at it here, let's pull that off. Taking that out, let's open this up. It's a little tight to get open, but you know what? I had it open before and I looked at it. I love it when they're like nicely displayed like this. So here's the actual controller itself. And then inside of here, you have your app, your game space, and your app controller right there, your apps for that, QR codes. And then right here, it goes over some little set of instructions about the functions buttons, the D-pad, how to adjust everything, how to connect a controller and all that, and then how to adjust the sticks. To adjust the sticks, you're gonna pull up. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. It gives you a little more height on the sticks. That's kind of cool. But you know, when you mash down on them, they go back down anyway. So, but if you don't need to mash down on them, and you see there's a little bit of flexibility to this thing, but look how wide it opens up. So you could put an iPad in there. Let me go ahead and close it up here and get it ready. And then in this package, you got a really good USB-C braided cable. I love it when they put a good cable with it. So this is a braided USB cable. We'll go ahead and open that up, and I'll show you what's in this package. This package is, you know, little dog prints for, you know, your sticks. If you want to put these on your sticks, check that out. Is that not cool? That gives you a little more grip on your stick right there. So now I got those on. Now these things, there's two things here, but this goes to an Android, and your USB-C will go in there like that. I have the iPhone here, and this is the iPhone like lightning port adapter. And then you could see how my camera cutout, it's got a spot for the camera cutout right here. It's gonna go that way actually. Goes like that. You push that down, and check it out, everybody. All locks in there, nice and firm. Now, why do you need that? Is because you're gonna run, let's say, just like that. And then you have a power bank like this. There it is. So see, check that out. So you're running off a power bank. So that way I'm not gonna run out of power. You know, you're gonna need that. So to turn this thing on, hold that button down. These lights will come on. Let me go ahead and take the phone out. I don't need this right now, but I just wanted to show y'all how that works. Okay, to connect it to your phone, you're gonna hold that button down. These green lights will flash, and it's gonna connect as DualShock wireless controller, but you can change the name to whatever you want. So let me go ahead and open a game, and let's see how this thing works. We got it ready. It's booting up there. I really like just showing y'all the buttons on there. There's an L1, L2. So let me just kind of like go over some of the controllers here. Power button, there's like a home screen button right there, a drop down menu button, a memory, a turbo, so it looks like I got dropped in at Nuketown. You can see how well this thing works. I absolutely love playing with a controller with these. Sticks work good, the buttons. You can see the buttons all work there. And me personally, you know, I don't play a lot of games like I used to, but the fact that
repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hostiles have captured the hardcore.
This to me, with the mobile gaming of nowadays and controllers like this, Why would you not go this route? This is basically almost better than like a Nintendo Switch, in my opinion. Look at how I can play this anywhere. This doesn't cost anything. The sticks, look at this, everybody. There's no latency in these sticks. Oh crap. There's like 0 latency in these sticks. When you look at it, see how quickly I can adjust the sensitivity. I don't like a super sensitive stick. So let me go ahead and pull a racing game up and show y'all exactly how well this works with a racing game. Because this is what I play mostly. This is Asphalt's Legends. And a controller like this is absolutely mandatory when you have something like that. So you see right here. You can go turn a little bit there. Turbo works awesome. Do a jump. Let's see if we can do a jump real quick. Looks like I'm in first place. I absolutely love this controller, but I'm just showing y'all how well it works here. There you go. That was an easy win. You see that? First place. I highly recommend this for anyone that's just wanting a good gaming controller, kind of on the go. And you could actually play it like this right here and see how I can play it like this. See that? How I can move it around, play like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ShanWan Q17 gaming controller. Check it out. See you guys in the next video. Woo!